Hi folks, with all of the people that are going to be using Seesaw, especially new users to it, I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how you can assign activities. Normally when you get logged in, you would see this right here. I'm obviously on Megan's class here right now. For those of you that are managing more than one class, if you click right up here under your name, you can actually go to whichever class it is that you want to be working with at that particular time and select them. It doesn't really matter for our purposes here what we're going to be doing. So in here, we want to assign an activity to multiple children who are in different classes. But we want the same activity, and we don't want to waste a lot of time making it. So there are a couple ways to go about this. You can either come up here and do Add and Assign Activity is one way to go about it. You can also click under Activities, scroll down, find Browse Activity Library. Either way works. It doesn't make any difference. So if I want to assign an activity, it will open up the library. Now in this case, it brings me up to my library, but if you were searching for something, you could always go to our school library, which I'm hoping we're going to start sharing some more back and forth based off of grade level. These are some kindergarten ones, and you can look by grade level if you like. So you can see Megan has shared some as well. But in any case, I'm going to go back to my library. I'm going to assume that the activity that I want to share is, here it is, this one right here. I'm going to click Assign. Now you'll have a list of all the different classes that you have associated with your account. You can see for me I have them all. Some of you will have just a handful of them. Some of you might only have one. It really depends. But I can assign to an entire class by clicking here. But I don't necessarily want it to go to the whole class. I don't want it to go to 20 students. So instead, I'm going to come over here to Edit Students, Folders, and Skills. And I can click on Edit Students, uncheck all of the students in Mrs. Holcomb's class, and only select the students that I want it to go to. In this case, I'm going to just send it to sample students so I don't confuse anyone. So I'll send it to one student in Mrs. Holcomb's class, one student in Mrs. Wilcox's class, and I'll do one in Mrs. Swander's class as well. So even though it says assigned to 3 classes, it's only going to be one student in those classes. So if I were to click Assign to 3 classes now, it will now show you which classes you assigned it to. I'm going to click on Holcomb here. And you can see there's the activity that I just assigned. It's assigned to one student. And it will actually tell you if you click on it which student you assigned it to and if they have actually completed the activity yet. If you decide, nope, I don't want that anymore, you can always take those students off. And if you say you don't want the activity at all, you can click Delete Activity and it will go away, but only for the student in that class. In this case, since I did it to multiple classes, I would have to go in. Oops, I don't remember which class I did that with actually, so I guess I'll have to search. But you can go in, there it is. You can go in and delete the different activities from the different classes, like so. Oop. All right, well, you get the picture on this. If you have questions, let me know.